Na aniji semuno Ghana abrantie anwum tuni Akwaboah ne bodro ho nwuma oyade pa ode atuja se obi a naniji ho no na ye adwuma person no be collaboration eye Efya wasa bibia oshababa woni so ne ban ne koy odi ne dwuma eso ni mroso.
Collaborations again, in studio, writing and recording songs with some of the artists that you've featured. Let me ask you this: your favorite collaboration of all time?
That's a huge one.
Yeah. That collaboration, you people hit the studio now. Bah! You nail them. Say, Kai, we're on the same wavelength.
Okay, so I think the shortest one was with Efya.
Efya.
Yeah, very simple. Yeah, smooth. She's one lady who comes, and then you teach her the song, and then she takes it to the next level. Easy.
That is Hold Me Down.
Yes, Hold Me Down.
The one with TST.
Yes. Oh, back when I was said you like my time I drew, she wasn't okay, and I'm like, oh, you finished right now. Okay, please teach me the song. And I said, okay, so yeah, man, blah 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 blah. I said, okay, I'll say let's go. She entered the booth and trust me.
Pa.
I looked at her, I'm like, hey, we are fool.
Maybe she fantastic. Roll me that song. Roll me that song.